My daughter found this at a thrift store. It's a simple little rocking chair. Kind of reminds me of the style of a shaker or Amish furniture. It's very simple. I really like items like this because I could always picture it in like a explorer's cabin or something like that. It's a little bit underscale, but that's okay. I think it's still usable. It's very simply crafted. Doesn't have any like embellishments like you see on most furniture. That's why I said it kind of reminds me of the shaker or the Amish style of furniture. And it's pretty dusty, so this must have been sitting in somebody's room for a while. I think she picked it up at an estate sale. I think it's pretty cool. I plan to use it in my photo stories, and like I said, probably in an explorer's cabin, or maybe an abandoned explorer's cabin. I really like these kind of finds because they're fun, and I could always find uses for things like this simple rocking chair. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Do you like little finds like this? I always enjoy them. It's great to find items that you could use. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to click that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to click Inspire and Create. I'll see you in the next video.